If a team never wins a prize for 110 years, do you believe in the team? Do you want to promote the team? Do you want to support the team? Yes, guys, it happened in the history of British professional cyclists. British professional cyclist team did not win even a single prize in 110 years in Tour de France. Even they won only one gold medal in Olympics in the last 100 years. Will you trust the team? No. Right? Even the manufacturers of cycles, professional cyclists, they did not want to sell their cycles to the British team. You know why? It may diminish their reputation. Okay. And you know what happened? It was the condition of professional cyclists of British team. But all of a sudden, in 2003, something changed, something new happened in their life. One person joined, Dave Brailsford. He joined as the performance director of that British professional cyclist team. And that day onwards, he wanted to do something different and he wanted the performance of the team should increase. And what he did something magical. He never focused on the activity of cycling. Rather, he focused on some tiny things like how they wash their hands. He invited some specialist doctors and tell them how to wash their hands scientifically so that you know it will have them muscles to build and it will not catch flu to them. He just do research and he changed the mattresses on which they were sleeping so that they can have a better sleep. He painted the entire room white color. You know why? So that even tiny these dark particles which will be on the cycle, it can be noticed. He changed the suit. The dress code has been changed. The food eating habit was changed. So many things was done. Even he put alcohol on the wheels of the cycle so that it will not slip. The small things he changed and he measured that. And after 5 years, 10 years, the result came up. And breaking the records, in 2012, one person won the Tour de France gold medal. And it was a historic moment for the British professional cycling team. After that, they never stopped. In 2013, they won again gold. 2015, 16, 17, continuously, they won gold medal in France de Tour. And guys, it is not the result. In Olympics, they got almost 66 gold medals. You can't just imagine the kind of performance they have increased in their life. And you know how it happened? It did not happen by improving the skills of cycling because everyone knows the skill of cycling. But most of the people, they ignore the other factors that related to cycling. That what Brailsford had done. Guys, this is the reality. And I'm not telling it. I have taken it from the book called Atomic Habits, Chapter 1. You can read this book. Now, the question is, how does such change happen? It is because he coined a term that is called the aggregation of marginal gain. Aggregation of marginal gains. What is marginal gains? Suppose today you want good health, you want better relationship with your close friends, you want to improve your wealth, you want abundance in your life. Yes, yes, everyone wants that. But why it looks like a daydream for us? Because we are not focusing on what Brailsford had done. That is aggregation of marginal gains. He says if you increase your performance 1% per day, 1% per day, 1% per day, after 1 year, your performance will increase 37%. But if you do nothing, automatically your performance decrease by 1%. Every day 1%, every day 1%. If you don't work to improve, automatically you're working to decrease your performance. Do you know what happens? After 1 year, your performance become zero and sometimes minus. This is the secret, guys. This is the secret. Aggregation of marginal gains. We think we have to do massive work to get massive result. Wrong thing, wrong idea. You have to improve 1% in each area. Brailsford had done that thing only. He just did 1% increase in their performance day by day, day by day, day by day. And after 10 years, from 2007 to 2017, the British professional cycle team did tremendous work, created history, marvelous. Do you want to increase your performance like this? I know. You say, yes, Damodar, we all know this. We have social media, we have YouTube, which is really helping many people to increase their performance. But ask a question. You might have watched many videos, might have watched many podcasts, might have listened to audio books. Have you increased your performance as per your requirement? Just ask this question. What was your performance? What was your health condition? What was your relationship? What was your wealth last year? What is now? Ask this question. You know many things. I do agree. You have even the resources to get all these ideas, to get all these things. But do you get the right result? Do you get a desired result? Are you living a life where it is taking to you, or you are designing your life, living a life as you design, as you wish? Then, guys, if you really want to increase your performance, I have an idea. The idea is aggregation of marginal gains. I'm launching a 21 days challenge. In that 21 days, I will teach nothing because you know many things better than me. And you even social media can teach you many things. There is no depth of knowledge in this present world. But what is the issue? The issue is you don't have a community. You don't have the right mindset of people who come together and say, let's do 21 days. Can you challenge yourself? Can you be committed? Can you be consistent? If you are, then it's fine. There is no need to come and join. But if you're not, you know many things. But if you don't able to practice it, if you don't be consistent, come join with me for 21 days challenge, 30 minutes or 40 minutes every day for 21 days. It's a commitment to you that I will show up. I will do something 1% every day. 1% every day. 1% is small increase, marginal gain, aggregation of marginal gain. It can give you 37% increase in your performance. And it is proven. So, guys, the link is in the below, in the description. If you really want to join, please come, join with me and see the miracle. Design your life. Don't drive your life as destiny. You can design. And you can design your life by increasing your performance, by aggregation of marginal gains, 1% every day for 21 days. Thank you. Thank you very much.